Because I mean, you don't make my dream come through. Yes, I have and it shall be given.
Guys, and Obi Small Team, welcome back to the Voice Update. So, guys, we are going to be talking about Nigeria TikToker Peller and Africa #1 bad girl Tiwa Savage. Tiwa Savage don't finally fulfill her promise to Peller of taking him on a private jet, which I will be showing you guys in this particular video. And secondly, I will be showing you guys Tiwa Savage and Ayra Starr performing one of their big songs together in Sierra Leone. So, if this is your first time of seeing my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment. So guys, Tiwa Savage don't finally fulfill her promise to Peller after they were spotted together in a private jet with the son Jam Jam. You guys can remember a few months ago, Peller was on live TikTok with Tiwa Savage, and Peller actually requested and begged Tiwa Savage for a favor to put him on a private jet. And guess what? It has finally come to pass as Tiwa Savage don't finally fulfill her promise. Peller, Tiwa Savage, and the son was spotted together in private jet, having good time and enjoying life. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Because I mean, you don't make my dream come through. Yes, I have and it shall be given. Private jets. Maybe we're in the sky.
Are you cold?
I'm cold. I swear to God. I don't be bothering me this year. Okay, they open the window down. Oh my God. Hey, come be like say I deaf. Is it only me?
Yeah.
It's only me. That I be like say I deaf. The cold that better my ear, no ear.
It's only you.
Javan is the definition of black is beautiful. Hey! I swear to God, I just look at you, you're fine, you're beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you. It was the IP. Guys, you know, I'm here with his Tupac girlfriend, I swear.
Yes, sir.
Tupac wife. Before Tupac was taken by God.
Before
Calm
Tupac
down.
died.
Yes, Tupac, yeah. Tupac, we proud of you there for waiting day, I swear. Oh my God. I dey sing with them since yesterday. Now I don't know, say, now Tupac. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wait, let's search.
You is your girlfriend? Ah, sorry.
My girlfriend.
Guys, small boy.
I used to have a lot of girls.
Anything I do to you, if only you give me the permission to, give me the permission to show you the thing I got. I love the dancer. Hey, I love my famina. 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 I love my permission to show you the thing I got. Check a calendar, no feel wait forever. Check a shit, jiggy jacka. I'm jacked up for you, tango for 2 sexy coffee, ready to do everything you like. I'll make your fire ignite until you see the sunlight. Shooting water, sugar, you will be needing plenty of stamina, stamina. You gonna need more stamina. Whenever the moment, before me say you cover me now. So many things I can do to you. Before you give me the permission to, give me the